Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia and I've come on today to show you what Santa Claus brought me and some haul things that I've been collecting up. I got this, look, oh, aren't I lucky? I'm spoilt, I know. I got a new Big Shot. The other one that I had, that I have still, has got a broken, not broken, but it still works, but it has. This here comes with two plates and they're shiny. Look at that, look at that, they're glittery. And they're, but you can see where I've been cutting out, but that's okay because you're supposed to be able to see that anyway. That happens. And this is how this one works. It actually doesn't have a hinge. The Big Shot that I got the first time has a hinge there, and the hinge actually, a piece chipped off the end of it, and I just put sticky tape around and it still works alright. But Santa Claus said I shouldn't have to use a broken one, so I got this one, and that shows you all what you do with it. Okay, limited edition. I think it was on special for $125, so that was good. Santa Claus done really well, didn't he? Anyway, comes with all this instructions and things with it, of course, and how to put it together. And it's got a really nice pretty blue design on it, and so we just wind through and cut out whatever we want to do. So that was a really good thing from Santa Claus. And he also bought me something I've wanted for a really long time, a fuse tool. Now a fuse tool, and I haven't been going to use it yet, so I opened it and I had a look, and I know that these are not exactly the same as the ones that you have in America, because I don't even know what I've done with the thing that shows you the instructions on it. But I've seen people say before that this is not exactly the same, because on the one in America that you get, there's this little extra piece of metal around that goes around this like a washer, and then it sits in this little bracket thing a lot easier. It's this little holder. Supposedly people don't think it's very good. Well, the thing is with that, if it had the metal bit in there it would work, but it hasn't, so I'm going to figure out some other way of holding it before I start using it, because I don't want to burn me or wreck whatever I'm doing. But this is for putting together your pieces of plastic. You get a metal ruler with it, so it either fuses the plastic together with this little tiny little thing in here, or it cuts the plastic. No, it cuts it with that or fuses it with that one. Okay, so they just go in there, and I'm going to try this today and see how it goes, and then you just use this as a guide. I need to find something that I'm going to do, and I've got a styrofoam all stuck to me. But I think this I got on special too. Oh, Santa Claus bought this on special too, because usually it was $70 something, and I think we only paid about 40-ish for it, something like that. Because when I seen it for 70, I thought, well, we better not have one of those. Anyway, oh well, I suppose I could have done. Also, I got this other die, and that's how come I remembered I got the ones on clearance. When I ordered that, they said it was only $1, so Sandy bought me that as well. Okay, so that was really good. Then I was looking for some sort of storage, and so I asked for this. Awesome, look at that. See, it is huge. It's got 16 boxes in it. It opens like this, and in each box I have put some stickers and something. There's something in every box. But I think I'm going to have to condense it down a bit, because I still want to put other things in other boxes. These are some of the little bits I've been cutting out with my Big Shot just for fun. you know, to see how it works. And I'm actually using some really neat paper. This here, this pad, works really good. You don't have to, it's a really good card. It's probably it's a backing board for sketching or whatever, and you can do anything with. But I think that works really good for this. How many pages is in that? Well, there's 4 of each. You get cream, gold, green and pink. And I have also got another bigger size pad. Montmartre that's made by. That's really nice paper, so it cuts really well. There's something else too I cut out with it I want to show you. Oh, there was a lot of things I cut out with it that I just wanted to show you. I don't know where it is now because I haven't got round to putting the names on all these yet. This actually has separate bits in the bottom with that piece there that you put it down in there, they sit in there, so it doesn't all fall down if you take it out. So if you wanted to sit it like that, which is not a bad idea, is it? You could. This one's upside down. I'll have to see if I can find what I'm going to show you. I've got one in Lillian Pink, but anyway, so I'm going to have to redo all this to, you know, yesterday I spent hours, but there's not a lot else you can do but this because it's too hot. Even if you're sitting in air conditioning, you can't move around too much because you get too hot. But anyway, so that was a really good buy too. That was also on special. So we actually left buying our presents until really, you know, only a week before Christmas, and that was a really good idea because we got some good cheaper things, you know, there were specials on. And this was particularly one of them because I think this was about $180 marked down to $125. So, and it didn't come until after, but I don't mind that. I mean, it was only a day or something. It didn't worry me. Come day after Boxing Day, I think I got it. But anyway, so that was that lot. Now if I can ask my technical support to move that for me, I could show you what I've bought then, since then. Thank you, sir. So I've got some bits and pieces here that I picked up the other day. Our shop that I kept on grizzling about that was going to be taking out the stuff that we were getting there, it's got all new things. So this is some bottle caps. They're actually sticky back ones, and they're really, really good sticky. It's not. It doesn't stick very good to the plastic. I was thinking I had to make a hole in it, but I don't because they've actually got a good sticky back on them, and you could either stick them onto whatever you were doing or whatever. They cost $2. Beads. Look at them, aren't they cool? Nice little set too they are. They're really good size. Really good size. So I had to buy 2 packets of those. Got another packet there somewhere. Can't see it yet. It's here somewhere, I promise you. I got these. These were still on special. I only paid $1.50 for these. These are fabric flowers. They are so pretty, aren't they? They're the only packet I've seen there for that much. You couldn't sit down and make them, you know. Too strange, too stressful for you. Now, where's that other packet? I definitely have got the beads there somewhere. So, I got these 2 things here from Woolworths with the ribbon on them, but the paper ribbon. But that's okay because if you're putting it in a journal, if you did a journal for Christmas or even anything, you know, you want something blingy. These are 62 cents a roll. So this is after Christmas because before then they were $3 something, I think. I don't know. Why won't that lift up? I did not want to undo it though because it's not rolling around everywhere. But it's nice. So that's nice paper. Nice for trim on something. How about those 2? Probably could have got more, but you know I'm not going to use them all. So I don't know if there's anything else in there. And these are my favourite of all things. Look at this. I've got bags. I bought these on Friday and they only open a little way, but aren't these awesome? Look at that. Aren't they cool? They're resealable. really heavy, good, heavy duty things. These are 6. There were 6 in here for $2. Today my husband went back and he got me 2 more packets. A bit bigger, these ones. I've had a look at this one. He went to buy himself something and forgot what he was doing and bought mine instead. So that was really good of him, wasn't it? Look at this. He bought me these. One packet costs $3. The other one costs $2.50. You get 4 bags. Now they are absolutely awesome, aren't they? Don't ask me what I'm going to do with them, but you could put them in your journal, couldn't you? Use them for a pocket, use them in a kitchen one, anything. Absolutely good, so good. These are Crafter's Corner. It's called. It's K. Starts with a K and a K. Yeah. Crafter's Corner. So that is awesome. That's an idea, isn't it? It's a good idea. There's got to be something you can do with those and stuff. And I bought these because I really liked them. Look at that. Some gold sticker leaves. And I haven't told a lot of people that I know. I haven't told anybody that I know about it yet. I'm sure, Karen, if you see this, you'll be down there and probably crazy because I want to put this on Facebook too to show people what they've got. But I definitely have 2 packets of these. These are awesome. They're a really good size. And, you know they're all in these little wheels. Actually, the other one's coming. I took it out of the bag because I was looking at them. They're all the same size. They're really good size. They're just a thing to make stuff with that I've been doing work with, and they're good and handy. You've got all the colours, but they only had, so far he only had all these same sets, like same colour sets, but I'm sure he'll be getting more in later. So that was what I have been doing while around about Christmas. Oh, I forgot these ones. Hang on, forgot this. I put these in here because the bag that I had them in come open. They're in black and colour, but I don't care because I'll be able to, with their little beads. Look, see? Little word beads. I don't know if you can see them in the tin better. Look. See? All the little word beads. Only cost $2. And I think that's really good because I don't think there's a USA written on it. World, love, good. I don't think that's too bad. I wanted white ones so bad. They had, this one is a bit broken. They had, what's the name, coloured, like really bright coloured ones, so never know, I could end up owning some of them too, but I like to look at the words on things, like, to put on something in your journal or something. So now, I think that's all, and I should get on with something else, okay? So, don't think I've got anything else. Okay, that's all. And our thrift shops are not open, of course, because they're having a break, but I don't need to go shopping. I just need to look in my room. So thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you all had a nice Christmas, and I wish you a Happy New Year to everybody, and thank you all for subscribing and supporting my channel. And if you haven't already done so, you can click on the little bell icon and then click on it so you can be notified every time I put up a video. So thank you for watching everybody, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.